Today, I'll show you how to fix the Squarespace 503 service unavailable error. If you've been trying to access your Squarespace site and are greeted with the frustrating 503 service unavailable message, you're not alone. This error can be a real headache, but the good news is that there's often a simple fix. Let's dive in and see how we can resolve this issue quickly and get your site back up and running. First, we're going to open a clean incognito or private browsing tab in your web browser. This step is crucial because it allows us to bypass any cached data that might be causing the problem. Cached data can sometimes include outdated information or corrupted files that interfere with how websites load. By using an incognito tab, we're essentially starting from scratch, ensuring no previously stored data affects our test. Once you have your incognito window open, type in the exact URL of your website and attempt to load the page. Be sure to enter it accurately to avoid any typos, which could lead to a different error or page not found. As you attempt to load the site, pay close attention to whether it loads properly or if the 503 error persists. If the page loads perfectly in incognito mode, this is a great sign. It means that your live site is functioning correctly and the issue lies within your browser's local cache. Essentially, your browser is holding on to old information that is preventing the page from displaying correctly. To resolve this, you'll need to clear your browser's cache. While each browser has slightly different steps for clearing the cache, the process is generally straightforward. Navigate to your browser's settings or preferences menu, find the section related to privacy or browsing data, and look for an option to clear browsing history or cache. Ensure you select the option to clear cached images and files, as this is often where the problem resides. Once you've done this, try loading your site again in a standard non-incognito window to see if the issue has been resolved. If your website still doesn't load after clearing the cache, there could be other factors at play, such as server-side issues or temporary downtime on Squarespace's end. In such cases, it might be helpful to check the status of Squarespace's servers or reach out to their support team for further assistance. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to troubleshoot and fix the Squarespace 503 service unavailable error. By using incognito mode to isolate the issue and clearing your browser's cache, you can often resolve this problem with minimal hassle. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.